In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the issue you're having with AutoCAD, where the dialog box doesn't appear when you're trying to save a file. Instead of the usual Save As window popping up, you might be noticing that all the file path and save information is showing up in the command bar, and that can be pretty annoying, right? But don't worry, this is a common problem, and I'm here to guide you through an easy fix that just takes a minute. Imagine you're working on a project, and you hit that Save button, expecting the typical dialog box to appear, only for it not to. Instead, it just defaults to the command line mode. The reason for this can often be traced back to a setting in AutoCAD that determines how file dialogs are handled. The good news is it's a simple adjustment. What we're going to do involves a command you'll type directly into the command line within AutoCAD. Now, look towards the bottom of your workspace and locate your command line interface. You're going to type a specific command, nothing too complex. Ready? Type the word FILEDIA into the command line. Make sure all the letters are capitalized, just like I've said it, FILEDIA. Once you've done that, press the Enter key on your keyboard. This particular command controls whether dialog boxes are used to open and save files in AutoCAD or not. By default, this should be set to enable dialog boxes, but sometimes it can get changed, often due to specific scripts or unusual workflows in AutoCAD. After you've pressed Enter, AutoCAD will prompt you for a new value to be assigned to FILEDIA. Here's the crucial part. Simply type the number 1 and hit Enter once more. What's happening here is that the number 1 tells AutoCAD to use dialog boxes for file operations like opening or saving files. If it's set to 0, AutoCAD will not display these dialog boxes and will instead default to the command line, which is why you were seeing that file path information there. Double check everything's set correctly by trying to save your file again. If all went well, which it should, you'll find the Save As dialog box is now appearing just like before. It's back where it's supposed to be, making your work in AutoCAD a lot smoother. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to ensure that your Save dialog box shows up every time. I hope this little tip helps to make your work in AutoCAD more efficient and less frustrating. If you found this video useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more helpful tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.